Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of editing your bio in Facebook. Your bio is a great way to introduce yourself and share important information with your friends and followers. Let's get started with the full guide. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Once you're on the main screen, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. On your profile page, locate and tap on the Edit Profile button. It's usually located beneath your profile picture. Step 4. Scroll down the page until you find the Bio section. Tap on the Edit button next to it. Step 5. Now you can type in the things that you want to include in your bio. You can write a short description about yourself, your interests, or anything you'd like to share. Once you're done, tap on the Save button to save your changes. That's it. You have successfully edited your bio in Facebook. Your updated bio will now be visible on your profile for others to see. Remember, your bio is a great opportunity to express yourself and make a memorable impression. Keep it authentic and intriguing. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help you out. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.